Hi, my name's Mark with Finish First, and today I want to show you 5 new solution-based kits available at AutoZone. What's great about these kits is they have everything you need for the repair while following 3 easy steps: prep, fill, and sand. Today we're going to show you how to get rid of a dent using our Small Dent Repair Kit. Before you start, you want to thoroughly clean the vehicle. Use the micro zip and the 80 grit sandpaper to strip the repair area to bare metal. One great tip with the micro zip is you can take the corner of the micro zip and dig into the center of the damaged area and clean it out to the bare metal. Once you've sanded down to bare metal, switch out from your 80 grit to your 180 grit. Now you're going to use the 180 grit to remove all of the 80 grit scratches and also feathering back the edges. So you can see there's different levels. You've got your bare metal, e-coat, primer, base coat, and then your clear coat. So you want to make sure there's no hard edges left. Thoroughly clean the area with the prep wipe. This will remove all the contaminants, and now you're ready to apply body filler. Now we're going to mix the body filler with the hardener on a non-porous sheet or on the clamshell package. Knead the body filler and the hardener before you mix them. Use 1 pouch of body filler and 1 pouch of hardener is the correct ratio. No need to measure. Then fold the body filler in, pulling the 2 components together. Now the filler's mixed and the color's uniform, you want to take and spread the body filler over the dent. You want to put a little bit more filler a little bit higher than the actual dent. And then also use the side of your squeegee so you don't have these hard edges. So you want to have a little bit more, a little bit higher than the actual dent. And that should be enough right there. What's great about the sandpaper is it's hook and loop, so it's reusable. It's also color coded so you can easily identify each grit. Now that the body filler is cured, you can switch back to your 80 grit, and we're going to shape the body filler to the contour of the body. Using the crosshatch method, it's going to flatten this down. Now that's about perfect right there. You don't want to sand all the way down. You just want to get rough sanded in. Now we rough sanded that out, we're going to switch back to the 180 grit and feather edge this until it's nice and smooth. Again, we're using the crosshatch method, that way it levels this out. Once you've removed all of the 80 grit scratches with your 180 grit, switch over to your 320 grit. You'll want to sand with the 320 grit until you remove all of the 180 grit scratches. Once the area is smooth and level and feather edged out nicely, you're ready for primer. Be sure and check out our other awesome solution-based kits. For more tips and tricks, visit our website at gofinishfirst.com and subscribe to our channel.